Dun, dun, dun. Oops. Yeah. Well, my whoopee cushion is finally found. I need to blow the sun up there again. But damn. But I'm gonna pause the video real quick and then blow these back up, and I'm just gonna blow this one immediately. My favorite ones. My favorite whoopee cushions. My favorite thing I can do with them is I have to blow them back up. I'll do the little one. One, you can sit on them. Two, is you can like put them under a blanket or something. Because I'm not gonna do it. I'm running on my wooden board right now. Wooden board, so I'm not blanket. I have my blanket laying across the side. I don't want to splinter my bone. But the whoopee cushions are really cool because you can just prank people all day and all night. So if you have a whoopee cushion, prank your friends. And I would actually got this from one of my friends. I'm not going to say their name because if I say their name, you'll probably end up realizing this is me, and I don't want them to realize that. But for, I think, 6th grade, yeah, 6th grade. I'm in 7th grade now, grade right now. But we were having a Halloween party, I think, and we were giving stuff out, and I didn't bring anything because I was poor, and I didn't want to bring anything in anyways. But this person gave me this whoopee cushion. I bought this one, but they gave us all this